order book will give information regarding the timing of the order, script name, quantity, price, the status of the order. An open window will only display orders which are pending. A complete window will only display orders which are executed successfully. All windows will display all pending orders, cancelled orders, complete orders and rejected orders. You get 4 options in the pending order book like modification, cancellation, information, and cancel all. Here you also get a search bar on top for searching any particular order from the list of orders. If you wish to modify your pending order, it can be done by clicking the modification option available from the pending order book. Order can be cancelled by clicking on the Cancel option. Info tab gives you more details about your order. You can cancel all orders or a few selected orders by clicking the checkbox and can easily cancel multiple orders at one go.